Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Katie's Empire, and we have another interesting video for you guys today. So today's video is going to be about a husband that puts his wife on blast for being upset about not being his beneficiary. Let's get into the video.
You haven't changed nothing into my name.
You
haven't put the house in my name. You haven't put the insurance in my name. And then you got like everybody else is on as a beneficiary.
I can't.
No,
you cannot be saying. What you just say?
You got both of them.
What you just say? Say that one more time. Say that again.
You heard what I said.
Talk about my mama again.
Yo, just say with her.
I want everybody to
She
hear
got somebody there to take care of her.
This who I married. This who I married 30 days ago.
No.
This who I married 30 days ago.
What's really taking you so long? Like 30 whole days, Deshaun. 30 whole days, and you still haven't put me on nothing? Like nothing.
It takes time to do all that.
It's like you're not even taking this marriage serious. It's like
you taking it too serious right now.
It's like you still attached to your
hey, do you
like a little mama
look, check me out. My little mama boy.
A little mama's boy.
Do you love me or you love the money? Which one what are you here for? What are you here for?
Listen, like I said,
what you on TikTok or something? What you on?
I'm not interested in nothing that you talking about right now because I don't even think you care about me. Because what if you die? What if you die? What's gonna happen to me if you die? Who's gonna take care of me? Who's gonna take care of me? You told me when we got married.
I know she
you
ain't
was gonna do everything. You was gonna make sure I'm taken care of, and now I'm like second guessing everything.
You can't be serious right now.
Yes, I am, because you don't even love me. The Bible says when a man marries
how you gonna say that?
That he cleaves to his wife and leave his mother. Like, what is wrong with you?
Who are you?
It's not who's are you. Who are you? You don't even care about me.
You tripping about some paperwork right now.
If you really cared about me, I would be taken care of. If you really
I'm gonna take care of you. What am I here for? We just got back off vacation.
No.
And you worried about some paperwork? No. Go sit down. Go sit down.
Go sit down. I'm a dog. Oh, so now I'm a dog. So now I'm a dog. Now I'm an animal. You tell me go sit down. Go sit down.
Oh my God, you a headache right now. You being such a headache right now.
Like I said,
why did I
am not trying to hear nothing. Okay, until you put me on the insurance, on the deeds, on the cards, on everything. It's no marriage. You might as well go ahead and say there's no marriage.
Who are you? Why are you?
I don't care what you're talking about.
You must have been talking to your friends or something.
There's
no way. There's no way I married you.
What? Yeah. Oh, so now you second guess marrying me?
I guess so. You talking about the paperwork?
Second guess marrying you. You the one that don't care about me. Because somebody that really cared about that person, this would have all been in the works 2 weeks prior to us even getting married.
That's so cap.
That's so cap. Up until we got married. Like after we married and you say I do, now something happened to you. What if you know your mama don't like me?
It's something for real.
And she gets on every time I come over.
Why now? Look at you.
Making all of these
look at you.
She shouldn't make no
Look at you.
She should never.
Why are you acting like this right now?
Just like her.
Why are you acting like?
Yeah, she look just like her. You look just like your mom. Your mom is very, very, you know.
Ooh.
You heard me.
What you trying to say? I look like a what?
I'm not saying anything.
I look like a what?
Until you put me on everything, we not married. This is not real.
Give my ring back then. How about that? Take the ring off. No, we ain't married. Take the ring off then.
No.
Take the ring off.
Because that's a promise. And even if
ain't no promise.
You still not getting
you a liar.
This
you
is
a straight liar.
And when I get before the judge, I'm gonna let the judge know that
you gonna give my last name back then? You wanna give my last name back? Respecting my family.
Whatever. They disrespect me.
No, they
didn't.
No, they didn't.
And that's another thing.
No, they didn't.
Another thing that I have a problem with. Anytime they disrespect me, you always upholding both of them. You never take my side. Like I probably shouldn't have never married you.
Give my ring back then. We can end this right now.
Sir, you can end this.
Put it right here.
Put it right here.
Thank you. See that?
I don't care. Take your ring. See whatever you want to see.
Get my last name back. Go back to Sanchez. Who your last name was? Mommy boy. Go back to the little hut that you came from that I got you at. I'll holler at you later.
I don't care what you
say.
Hey,
you want me to open the door for you?
A real man, if he was a real man,
Man, listen. Stuff like this doesn't just pop up out of nowhere. This existed long before he put that ring on her finger. Women like this don't just show themselves 30 days after being married to someone. He's seen these signs long before they were married. That's why you have to be extremely careful about making these type of commitments to these type of people. You've seen this beforehand, fam, and you still chose to ignore those red flags, put a ring on it, and get married to this woman. And she went from crying to snatching dreams out of the air to disrespecting this guy, all in the same breath. Again, you have to take full responsibility for your actions, fam. You got to do better, man. But I want to hear from y'all, man. What do y'all think about this particular video? Y'all let me know down in the comments, all right? Y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, butternut. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.